How you guys doing? My name is Keifer out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I've been involved with IML for about a month now. Completely new to the trading concept and to Forex itself. When I first got involved, I felt frustrated and confused at times because I couldn't understand how to read the charts and I wasn't really sure what I was doing. I plugged into Phil's session 1 and session 2 training, and it's really changed the game for me. I've been able to hit profit, and not only did I take profit, but I understand why I take profit. My confidence starts to build, and what I like about Phil is that he breaks it down. He breaks it down so even a 10-year-old can understand what they're doing. And I'm looking forward to taking session 3 and 4 to kind of wrap this thing up. I would say when I first got started, my confidence was maybe a 2 or 3 with the trading. I would say right now I'm at a solid 7. So I just need session 3 and 4 to tie it all together. But thanks, Phil. Thanks for everything that you're doing and you continue to do, man.